Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to show in this video tutorial how to subtract number in Excel. Okay, this is very easy and basic formula I'm going to show you. So you can minus numbers in Excel. So let's start with the video. If you're new on this channel, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment below. So without time wasting guys, let's start with the video. So guys, here on my Excel sheet on subtraction of numbers. It is very easy in Excel. So there is a many way you can subtract number or minus number from two cell or two column. So here I have numbers like B, C, first name, yeah. So Jan, Feb. Okay, so I'm going to. So here I want to show you the result how subtraction result here. You can how to subtract percentages. So I'm going to show you here how to subtract percentages. So I'm going to show you how to subtract number, and then I'm going to show you how to subtract percentage. Okay, so minus if in order to minus number, there's a simple way. There's a two numbers I have here. Like you can, this is demo only, you can just focus on number. So just click on these. Okay, this indicate to Excel that I'm going to use formula now. Okay, so simply click right key of your keyboard and come to this icon, come to this cell 770 cell. Now click minus, then come to these 30 cells, C4. Okay, and once, and then press enter the subtract numbers. You can see 70 minus 30 is 40. Okay, if you want to subtract percentage, the same, click on this. Okay, and press the right arrow and come to 70 b4. Okay, then click minus, then open the bracket, then come to again b4, then press into, then c4 another 30. Okay, now you have to 100 divide by 100, and okay, you have to close column after and enter. So you can get the subcontract percentage here. So that is how you can subcontract number and percentage in Excel. Okay, if you want to copy this formula in below row, you can simply press the shift into the right, select the or both row, and downside, you have to keep pressing shift, and now you can control B. Okay, so our formula will be copy in the rest row. Okay, so that is how you can subcontract the numbers
Now find the
and
equal
subtract
key
the
and press it.
percentages. Thank you for
This